Welcome back to the official ZAP Hosting YouTube channel. My name is Sally and today I'm happy to announce that our game servers now come with a brand new feature that provides you with a ZAP Cloud subdomain that accompanies your traditional IP address. So let me quickly show you how you can get one as well. Now before we start, please note as of this video recording date, the ZAP Cloud subdomain feature is only available for our FiveM server options, but do not worry, as in the long term we aim to expand this feature across as many games as possible that support subdomains. And by the way, if you're looking to get a game server, then get one today from us with a 50% discount using the code ZAP-Cloud. And yes, it does come with our new awesome ZAP Cloud subdomain. But what if you don't want to book a new server just to have the subdomain? Then don't worry, because with just a few clicks you can activate this feature in no time on your current server. Let me show you how. To activate a subdomain on your server that supports it, first open your server interface, then navigate to the settings tab, which you can find right here on the left. Here scroll down to the bottom where you will find the red button called Resolve Subdomain and simply click on it. After that, your server's subdomain should become visible and active, but if it does not appear instantly, please give it a couple of minutes to become visible. And that's it, your server's IP should now appear with our new ZAP Cloud subdomain. Enjoy! If you have any questions, you can contact our support by creating a ticket on our website or live chat and we will be more than happy to help you out. Now have a lovely rest of the week and enjoy playing on your ZAP server.